Here we have a 69 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK EcoBlue. Now this vehicle comes with 20-inch hard black Rhino alloy wheels. We also have the black paintwork, the wide arch kit, along with a Raptor style front grille. We have the front lower nudge bar. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel. We also have the colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have wind deflectors on the windows, we have black roof rails on the roof, we also have the side steps along the bottom, we have the SCZ load bay cover, along with front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We also have the reversing camera, and this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Coming around now to the last alloy wheel, as you can see, yet again in excellent condition. Taking a look inside, you'll find the full leather interior with the orange stitching. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO punch just down there. In the centre you'll find the 12-volt connectivity along with a plug socket. We have the brushed metal handles, the electric windows and the integrated speakers. In the front we have the same full leather interior with the orange stitching. However, these front seats are heated. We also have the WILDTRAK logo just embroidered there. The driver's seat is also electrically adjustable, just there. We have the electric windows with child lock for the rear. We also have the auto lights. We have a multifunctional steering wheel with auto window wipers. We also have two digital screens either side of the speedo, along with the main infotainment screen which has the likes of sat-nav, Bluetooth audio, radio, phone connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and much more. We also have the climate control, the ice-cold air conditioning, and all of these different options here, such as the different four-wheel drive of high and low settings. However, that's all I'm going to show you guys today. When this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.